Hey guys, welcome to Makeup and Me with Marvelous Moonflower, aka me. My name is Ellie for those who don't know, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do liquid eyeliner, just like this. Let's go. So in this tutorial you need three things. You need a eye pencil, a liquid eyeliner, and some cotton buds just in case you make a few mistakes, which is fine. So the eye pencil that I've got today is the Sleek Midnight Twist Up eye pencil, and we are literally just going to put that on the top part of our lids. Very simple, just the top part. You can do it as thick, as thin as you want. It's very simple to do, and you're probably thinking, why are you doing eye pencil when I want to learn about liquid eyeliner? There's a very simple thing about that. I've seen tutorials online where they say with your liquid eyeliner you put on a dot here and a dot here and then you connect it, or you do a line and then another line and connect it. It's like, what? It doesn't work. I've tried it. I've struggled with it. So the best way that I have taught myself is to use my pencil as a guide. I'm only using a twist up one because I don't actually use kohl pencils anymore. If you have a kohl pencil you can sharpen it, it's a lot more easier to do. But I've only got twist up ones, and this one I actually got from my advent calendar, my beauty advent calendar last year, which was obviously a sleek one. So I tend to pull my eye just so I can get that line. I'm not perfect at makeup. I'm still a beginner myself, but this tip I think will help a lot of people, especially younger girls who feel as though the internet can be a little overwhelming. So this I think is a perfect start for them. So we're just literally going to drag it over. I've made it a bit too thick, so I just got to even it out. As you can see, compare eyes. It makes your eye look a whole lot bigger. And what you want to do is you kind of want to just bring a little bit out, literally just like that. As you can see, just a little bit, not much, you don't need much. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other eye. Okay, so that is that done. Feel free to put on any sort of eyeliner underneath. I don't put liquid eyeliner underneath, I only ever use a pencil. And next we're going to need our liquid eyeliner. This one is Ink Me. It's quite bright there, but it's the Rimmel brand. This one is the Glitter Black. You should always shake your liquid eyeliners just to stop from clumping. And I chose the glitter black one just because I don't get a chance to wear it enough, and with quarantine and everything I barely had to put makeup on, so yeah. So what we're going to do is literally use our eyeliner with the pencil that we've just done and go over it, and then I will show you what else to do. So it's got little. Literally just go over exactly what you've drawn. If you make any mistake here, that's what your cotton buds are for. I've been using liquid eyeliner for quite a while, so my hand is used to this kind of movement, which is what you're kind of teaching yourself. You're teaching your hand how to glide across your eyelid eventually without the use of a pencil. This actually took me many months to get to grips with, and as you can see I've gone further than the pencil. It's not as sharp as I want it to be, which is where my cotton bud will come in handy. Now this might be gross to some of you, but this is what I do because it's my face, I don't care. And you literally just want to go kind of more an upward direction It might ruin your foundation a little bit, but you can blend that back in, which is why a lot of people tend to do eyes first, then foundation, so then you're not messing anything up. And then with your foundation you can actually sharpen those lines. But if you can see, easiest thing to do. And then we're going to do exactly the same thing with our other eye. So now that we've done that and we've followed that line, what we're going to do is going to go to the corner of our eyes and brush. Excuse me. So literally just at the corner, and you're going to want to meet that end. Doing like this will give you a thicker flick. Now you don't have to, you can stick with the line that you already drew. I tend to always stick with the line that I previously drew just because my eyes tend to water quite a bit, and it will always end up rubbing the bit that I do in my corner anyway. But this is just if you want that thicker line. And the same on the other side. I have messed up that one a little bit, but that is why we have cotton buds. Cotton buds are our saviours. So I'm just going to fix that. And what you can do is when you've got your, just looking for my sponge, I'll use my sponge. This is what I use to blend in my foundation with. You can literally just go over and sharpen up those lines, foundation that you may have just fudged up a little bit. Okay, nice and shiny, and that is it. That is literally how you do liquid eyeliner. This way helped me so much more. I've been doing makeup since I was 14, which is a good 10 years of my life now that I've thought about it for the first time ever. And yeah, I decided at 19 using pencils was enough. I had to do something different, but I didn't know how to do it, so I taught myself to use my eye pencil as a guide. Go over go over with the eyeliner, and that's it. Okay guys, I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then I'll show you the completed look in a minute. See you then! Okay guys, this is the completed look. As you can see, I've added a bit of brow, lip and a bit of highlight, if you can see. Eyeliner is looking really good. I hope all of these tips has helped you as much as they helped me when I was growing up, and like and subscribe for a few more. Bye!